Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. 1 year anniversary user submitted videos. We'll have that coming right up. A couple of months ago, I had asked you to submit some pictures from your drones, and you guys responded by knocking it out of the park. You submitted some fantastic entries, and we went ahead and we did a video for that. Well, in honor of, to celebrate the channel's 1 year anniversary, I asked you to submit some videos. And again, you guys did the same thing. You knocked it out of the park, each and every one of these videos. I'm going to go ahead and roll this clip, but before I do, I want to set this up. If the clip was submitted without any audio, I added a generic audio track from Adobe Premiere. I want to let you know that. And of course, it's going to try to keep it upbeat with a theme here. If it came with audio, I did not touch that. The other thing is this. I went ahead through Dropbox, and I also went through my emails to make sure that I got all of the videos. If I missed a video and you didn't see your video out there and you submitted one, here's what I will do. I will go ahead and put together a video from Bill the Drone Reviewer featuring your video and your video alone. So please let me know that and send me an email at BillTheDroneReviewer@gmail.com. So without any further ado, let's jump into the videos. Again, you guys just absolutely, totally, positively knocked it out of the park. I can't pick a favorite because they're all my favorite. You guys are so good. What you do is fantastic. You guys know how to fly your drones and you know how to take great video. Thank you so much for these contributions to the channel. I really, really appreciate it. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching and happy flying.